morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start next lesson, space travel. Now let us start question answer session. Answer the following. In which year the space station Skylab was launched by US? Answer is in 1973. Skylab was the first United States space station launched by NASA, occupied for about 24 weeks between May 1973 and February 1974. It was operated by three astronaut crews, SL-2, S-3 and SL-4. Major operations included an orbital workshop, a solar observatory, Earth observation, and hundreds of experiments. Next question. In which year India launched its first satellite Aryabhatta? Answer is in 1975. Aryabhatta was India's first satellite, named after the famous Indian astronomer. It was launched on 19th April 1975 from Kapustin Yar, a Russian rocket launch and development site in Astrakhan Oblast, using a Cosmos 3M launch vehicle. It was built by ISRO. Next one. Which was the first US satellite? Answer is Explorer 1. Explorer 1 was launched on January 31, 1958 at 20 to 48 Eastern Time. Atop the first Juno booster from LC-26 at the Cape Canaveral Missile Annex in Florida. It was the first spacecraft to detect the Van Allen radiation belt, returning data until its batteries were exhausted after nearly 4 months. It remained in orbit until 1970 and was followed by more than 90 scientific spacecraft in the Explorer series. Next one. Which spacecraft carried the dog Laika into space? Answer is Sputnik 2. Laika, a stray mongrel from the streets of Moscow, was selected to be the occupant of Soviet spacecraft Sputnik 2 that was launched into outer space on 3rd November. Next one. In which year did Valentina Tereshkova go into space? Answer is in 1963. Valentina is a member of Russian State Duma, engineer and former cosmonaut. She is the first and youngest woman to have flown in space with a solo mission on the Vostok 6 on 16 June 1963. She orbited the Earth 48 times, spent almost 3 days in space, and remains the only woman to have been on a solo space mission. Next question. Who was the first American to orbit the Earth? Answer is John Glenn. John Glenn was United States Marine Corps aviator, engineer, astronaut, businessman, and politician. He was the first American to orbit the Earth, circling it 3 times in 1962. Next question. In which year did the US launch Telstar, the first communications satellite? The answer is in 1962. The first 2 Telstar satellites were experimental and nearly identical. Telstar 1 launched on top of Thor Delta Thor Delta rocket on July 10, 1962. It successfully relayed through space the first television pictures, telephone calls, and telegraph images, and provided the first live transatlantic television feed. Telstar 2 launched by 7th May 1963. Telstar 1 and 2, though no longer functional, still orbit the Earth. Next question. What is the name of spacecraft launched in 1989 to study the gravity over Venus surface? Answer is Magellan. The Magellan spacecraft, also referred to as the Venus Radar Mapper, was a 1,035 kg robotic space probe launched by NASA of the United States on 4th May 1989 to map the surface of Venus by using synthetic aperture radar and to measure the planetary gravitational field. Next question. Who was the first Indian woman to go into space on NASA's shuttle Columbia? Answer is Kalpana Chawla. She was an American astronaut, engineer, and the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. In 2003, Chawla was one of the 7 crew members who died in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster when the spacecraft disintegrated during its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Next question. In which spaceship did Rakesh Sharma go into space? Answer is Soyuz T-11. Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, AC, is a former Indian Air Force pilot who flew aboard Soyuz T-11 on 3rd April 1984 with the Intercosmos program. Next question. Which country sent first man into space? Answer is USSR. Yuri Gagarin was a Soviet Air Forces pilot and cosmonaut who became the first human to journey into outer space, achieving a major milestone in the space race. His capsule Vostok 1 completed one orbit of the Earth on 12th April 1961. Next question. The first man to land on moon was Armstrong. Second was his colleague Edwin Aldrin. Who was the third person with them? Answer is Michael Collins. Michael Collins is an American astronaut who flew the Apollo 11 command module Columbia around the moon while his crewmates Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made the first crewed landing on the surface. He was a test pilot and Major General in the US Air Force Reserves. Fun fact: the Jupiter could swallow up over 1,000 Earths. Its diameter is 1,42,800 km. One of its moons, Ganymede, is the largest moon in the solar system, bigger than Mercury. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.